Welcome back. Now, if you want to add time to your trial, what you'll see typically when you log in is that you can have an extra 30 days if you follow some steps set up by Clickfunnels. The first thing you'll need to do is to go to their Get Started webinar. What you'll do then is you will schedule a specific time for the webinar. You'll then write in your name and email address. You'll then complete your appointment. And to qualify for the bonus, you'll need to show up to their onboarding webinar. You'll then need to choose their next challenge. And to be aware, there will be a cost associated with the challenge. The time selection typically goes out 72 hours from the time that you are entering this particular challenge. Once you have made the purchase and then scheduled the webinar, you will be given an extra 30 days onto your trial. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.